What surfaces can TSP Cleaner be used on?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to be discussing a super versatile cleaning agent that's been trusted by professionals for years, trisodium phosphate, commonly known as TSP. We'll be delving into what surfaces TSP Cleaner can be used on.
What is TSP?
Before we dive into the surfaces, let's take a quick moment to understand what TSP is. Trisodium phosphate is a heavy-duty cleaning agent that can remove tough grime, dirt, and grease. It's typically used in a variety of household cleaning and renovation tasks. But one must use TSP cautiously as it is a powerful cleaner.
Where can I use TSP?
TSP is remarkably versatile, being effective on a wide array of surfaces. Let's discuss some of these now. 1. Walls. TSP is great for preparing walls for painting by removing dirt and grease, providing a clean surface for the paint to adhere to. 2. Concrete. TSP can effectively clean concrete surfaces, removing tough stains and grime. 3. Wood. It can be used to clean wooden decks and furniture, although it's always a good idea to test a small, hidden area first. 4. Metal. It can be used for cleaning metal surfaces before repainting. 5. Ceramic tiles and grout. TSP can handle deep cleaning of ceramic tiles and grout lines in your bathroom and kitchen. Remember that while TSP is versatile, it is also strong. Therefore, always use gloves and protective eyewear when handling TSP, and ensure the area you are working in is well ventilated.
Where should I avoid using TSP?
Just as important as knowing where to use TSP is knowing where not to use it. Here are a few key places to avoid. 1. Glass. TSP can etch or dull certain types of glass, so it's best to avoid using it on these surfaces. 2. Aluminum. TSP can darken aluminum, so avoid using it on this material. 3. Glossy painted surfaces. TSP can dull glossy finishes, so be cautious when using it on these areas. 4. Fragile surfaces. Delicate materials such as silk, leather, or any sort of antique fabric should be kept away from TSP. Remember, when in doubt, it's always best to test TSP on a small, hidden area of the surface before applying it to the entire thing. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the versatile world of TSP Cleaner. Whether you're dealing with walls, concrete, wood, or ceramic tiles, TSP can handle the job. Just remember to use it cautiously and avoid certain surfaces like glass and aluminum. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding more about this handy cleaning agent. Until next time, happy cleaning!